Today I will show you how to fold a Christmas tree with a 100 bill fast and easy. Turn your bill around so that the back faces you. Fold your bill in half lengthwise from bottom to top and open it back up. Now fold this edge to the center crease. Then fold the left corner on top of the bill. Open it back up and do the same with the other side. Open it back up. Fold the two corners together. Open the bill between the corners and push it down that a triangle faces you. Turn the bill around, fold the edge on top, but only the upper layer. And open it back up. Then fold the edge to the center crease. Again, only the upper layer. Repeat the step with the other side. Turn your bill around and fold this part of the bill down. Turn it around again and fold the whole bottom corner to the top. Open it back up and repeat the step with the other corner. Open this also back up. Then fold the two corners together. Open the bill here and push down the top. Fold the upper layer of this corner on top. In the next few steps, I will call this part Little Arrowhead. Fold the bottom edge to the center and open the little arrowhead back up. Now repeat the steps with the other side. Fold the little arrowhead on top. Fold the bottom edge to the center. And open the little arrowhead back up. Turn the bill around and fold this part of the bill down. Turn the bill around. You got a little tab here, and now you can slide the top of the tree into this tab. And here's your Christmas tree. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!